Hey guys, so today I have my Ed Sheeran equals vinyl unboxing, and I got this at Walmart. And so, as I said on the sour vinyl unboxing, got a mess of vinyl and CDs also at Walmart because they had a huge clearance sale, and everything in the music department, like CDs and records, they were all on like a huge price cut. So I bought like a massive load of it. So be prepared for that. So let's get started. So, as you probably know, I unboxed the Equals CD on camera. Um, I'll link that in the description if you didn't see that. That was a little while ago. And so up here it says the new album from Ed Sheeran features 14 tracks including the hit songs Bad Habits and Shivers, pressed on a limited edition clear vinyl. There's a sale tag. And then here it says Walmart exclusive ultra clear vinyl, only at Walmart. Then back here's the track list. And so, yeah, I'll just take off the cellophane if I can get it off. Okay, so here it is with the cellophane off. And this is random, but that cellophane was much thicker than every record I've ever bought. Like, every record has I got one record, which I'll see on there. The cellophane was actually torn when I bought it. We'll see. I'll film a video on it when I opened it, so stay tuned. Is one I bought recently. And the cellophane was so thin, it was like torn. And I'm like, that's bad advertisement. That one was like cheese paper thick. Like, you know how annoying the wrapped cheese slices are. That stuff will not come off. So, anyway, so much for my rambling. Here, this one does not unfold. It's just a sleeve because it's only one disc. And so it pulls out. I don't know why I said that. So weird. That was weird. So here's the outer sleeve, as you saw. Here's the inner sleeve. It's got the same picture that's in the CD case. And back here it's got the lyrics to all the songs on the back here. And then it's got the credits. Who wrote, produced, blah, blah, blah over here. And then the disc. And I am in love. I love clear vinyl so much. Clear vinyl is the coolest thing since sliced bread. And that's pretty cool. It's got the equals, like the equal sign on it. And like the scratch graffiti on the overpass. Look. And it is seriously so cool. I love clear vinyl so much because you can see through it. That's just I think if it was me, every vinyl record I made would have a clear pressing. Like, I would make one. I might make other colors, but I love the translucent vinyl so much. So, yeah, and now there's flies landing on it. That's annoying. But, yeah. So that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Allie out.